In this video, I will quickly show you how to set reminders on Monday.com so you don't forget important tasks and deadlines. First, go to Monday.com and sign in to your account. Once you are inside, open the board that contains the task you want to track. Make sure the item includes a date column, since reminders are based on task dates. Click the date column of the task and select the desired date. Next, look for the reminder or notification option connected to the selected date. You can choose when you want to receive the reminder, such as on the due date or a few days before the deadline. After setting the reminder, Monday.com will automatically send a notification. These reminders help you stay organized and avoid missing important deadlines. You can create reminders for multiple tasks inside the same board. And that's it. Now you know how to set reminders on Monday.com easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.